Today we will be creating a giraffe. Let's see what are the materials needed for this project. First, we need a thick white drawing sheet or a watercolor paper. Next, watercolor set, crayons or oil pastel, color mixing palette, a painting brush, and most importantly, curiosity to learn. Let's first see how to draw the giraffe using crayons. Here I am taking brown color crayon. You can take whatever the color you like. Let's draw a soft square. So in the square the edges will be little curved. So this will be the head of our giraffe. At the corner, we are going to draw two rounds, that is the ear of giraffe, and two straight lines 2 times and a round on top of it. This will be our horn of our giraffe. Inside the head I am drawing a curved line and 2 small curved lines. That will be the nozzle of giraffe so that he can breathe. And I am using black crayon to draw the eyes of a giraffe. Again I am taking the brown crayon and I am drawing a 2 long straight line. This will be the neck of our giraffe. Next, again another one like a soft square. The edges should be the curve. This will be the body of our giraffe, and a straight line, long straight line, ending with like joining the 2 lines. So 4 times we are going to draw like this. This will be our giraffe's leg. Giraffe have a long leg, very long leg. So we are drawing little long legs here, and the edges we are drawing small rounds. And in the neck I am drawing a small lines using the same color, the brown color crayons. I am using like drawing a small lines, and the tail will be little curved line and another one small curved line. So this will be our tail of our giraffe. Giraffe have a pattern, we can say spots in all over the body. Will be a round square shape patterns, the spots in entire body. So we are drawing it here. You can draw as many as you like it. So our giraffe is ready. See, it's look good, right? Let's color our giraffe now. So for paint our giraffe, I plan to like take brown and yellow color. So first I am taking brown color to draw the to paint our giraffe mouth, and I am using the same brown color to fill up the spots of the giraffe. Your giraffe spots are much like human fingerprints. No two individual giraffe have exactly the same patterns. So if you are seeing some patterns, I think we can't differentiate the patterns, but it is like human fingerprints. So in the thorns also I am filling it up with brown color. For the face and other things I am planning to use yellow color. For legs also I am using the yellow color. For face also, I am using the yellow color to paint it. Let's paint the ears of our giraffe. Now we'll color the neck using the yellow colors. I am just making sure we are not painting inside the patterns. Do your best in this. Almost done with that. For the lines also, I'm planning to paint it with brown color. And the bottom of the legs, right, we'll fill it up with brown color. The tail I'm using it brown, and the bottom of the legs also I'm filling it up with brown color. Okay, let's color the background. So for the background, I decided to go with light green and light yellow combination because I like this combination. So here I'm planning to use the same combination, light green and yellow. Here you can see the difference. I'm using the big brush because it's just a background, right? So I'm taking the big brush, like little bigger than we used to color our giraffe. I'm using a little bigger brush to color the background. So the combination of green and yellow is for the background. Giraffes are the tallest mammal on earth. Their legs are legs alone are taller than many humans, almost 6 feet. You know that? Little amazing, right? Okay, when I'm painting near to the giraffe, I'm taking a smaller brush again, because if I'm using the bigger one, it will go inside. Inside also I will paint it, so I'm using the smaller brushes. I think we're almost done with our giraffe now. It's almost ready. Yeah, we're done with our giraffe. Let's see how to draw the next giraffe, the second giraffe. Let's draw our second giraffe. First we'll draw the giraffe. Here also I am using the crayons, but here I am using orange color crayon to draw the giraffe. So first we have to draw a straight line and another one straight line, parallel line, little higher, lengthier than that, and we have to draw a slanting line to cover it. And we have to draw a oval shape that will be the body of our giraffe. Not exactly the oval, we should not close the lines, but little oval shape we have to draw. So that will be the body of our giraffe. Keep in mind, we are drawing the cartoon giraffe, so it is not as realistic. So the head also will be a little oval in shape. And inside it, I'm drawing a curved line. At the corners, I'm drawing 2 rounds, that will be the ears of giraffe, and two straight lines for the horn of a giraffe, and that will be the nostril. And for the eyes, I'm using black color crayon. So 2 dotted lines, like rounds, will be the eyes of our giraffe. So tail will be a small curved lines. So giraffe have a long legs, right? So again we are going to draw 2 straight lines. So giraffe have 4 legs, we have to draw 4 legs. 2 straight lines, 4 times we have to draw. So that will be the legs of our giraffe. We are joining the edges like the legs, and we are drawing another 1 lines on top of it. And I'm like drawing little small lines in the neck side. Next, I'm drawing the spots in the giraffe body. You can draw as many as you want in full neck and body. You can draw in like legs as well. Next, let's color a giraffe. So here also I'm using the same color, brown and like dark yellow, to paint the giraffe like head and body, legs, everywhere. The spots, again it will be the brown color. And the giraffe horns will be entire brown, full brown here. I'm using yellow color to paint the head and the neck body part of the giraffe. If you feel the water is little over anywhere, you can use a tissue paper to absorb the excess water from your drawing. So I decided to add little spots over the legs as well, and I'm filling up this last and bottom with black color, the edges of the leg. Do you know that giraffes can run as fast as 35 miles an hour? So the legs also I am filling it up with yellow color. So giraffe is almost ready. So we done with the painting of a giraffe. Let's color the background. Here I decided to use a dark green to paint the background of the giraffe. I read some amazing facts about giraffe. Let me tell you what are those. So giraffe can only need to drink once every few days. Most of their water comes from all the plants they eat. So they really don't want to drink much water. They take all the water they want for their body from the leaves they are eating. Good try. And also, I heard that giraffes spend most of their lives standing up. They even sleep and give birth standing up. And the giraffe calf, they can stand up and walk after about an hour, and within a week after they born, they can walk. Okay, we almost done with painting the background of our giraffe. Our giraffe is ready now. Thank you for watching.